Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This one, under this piece of sheet metal here, has the 2-liter 4-cylinder, the Turbo 4, producing a little bit more torque than the 6-cylinder, and a very unique power delivery. Here you have your plaque, all your fording depths and dimensions. I think this is driver's side. Go in. Better if the doors open. Okay. That's latched. Perfect. Driver's side done. Now, time for passenger side. Come on. How are you not? There we go. Alright, simple as that. Obviously, I've had this truck for about 3 hours total, so you're gonna get used to that. Oh, if you want to take doors and everything, that opens up. Oh, to get to your jack. Okay, I see. Alright, so that's how you get to your area where you can store your door hinges, bolts, windshield bolts, and everything like that. Window switches in the middle, so that way when your doors are off, you can still operate the windows. Let's see if anybody gets that joke. I love these things, man. I really do. They're just so much fun. Having these roof panels off and just enjoying the environment. Oh, I can't think of anything else I'd rather do. Now you might be wondering, what's this roof like in rainstorms? It's good. I got stuck in a pretty massive downpour last night on my way home, and no leaks. It was fine. I was a little worried. I'm like, oh boy, here we go. This is a real test. Especially because I was the last person to put this top on. I was like, oh, this is where this thing just starts dumping water in here, and nope. That means if I can do it, you can do it. Because I'm a bit of a mechanical knowledge idiot, or a mechanical moron, I should say. I'm not very mechanically inclined. So if I can bolt something together or do anything like that, anybody can. In terms of the handling department, it's a Wrangler, guys. It's not going to be a supercar. But the JL is miles better than the JK was. Definitely drives a lot better. I don't feel like I'm going to flip this thing over. Okay. That's not nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be. That power delivery of the 4-cylinder, man. This is the first 4-cylinder Wrangler I've driven. I don't know which one I prefer. Yeah, if I was buying one, I'd probably get the 6. But this power delivery, man, I don't know. That's a tough call. Obviously on highway, it's going to be a little bit noisier than your average car. Especially the Rubicon models with these off-road base tires. I drove a Sahara, a 2020 Wrangler Sahara. It was much quieter than this, but you know what, you're buying this Rubicon for its off-road capabilities. Or just because it looks awesome. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.